Hey guys, so I'm making the lipsticks out of Crayola crayons and I'm using these two colors, Marvelous, and this is a
I seriously suck so bad.
Violet purple, I don't really know. I don't remember, I took off the wrapper. Should have saved it, but I didn't. And you can use olive oil or vegetable oil. I'm just using regular vegetable oil. And I already have my pot of water boiling. Alright, so I already put the vegetable oil in the bowls. Now I'm going to cut the crayons up. Oh god.
Why the hell was I using a knife when I can just break them with my hand?
Do some random thing. I'm like, let me try to make lipsticks. So,
Jesus Christ. Oh my God. What the... Amanda, just use your hands.
you know, I don't know why I cut this when I could have just broken it up. Okay.
Duh.
So, we need half a teaspoon of coconut oil. That stuff is awesome. Put that in there. Another one. Stuff is awesome. I love how these melt immediately. Alright. Okay. Now we put it in the pot. What's that?
Here we go, guys. It's all melted now. That's my Marvelous. Hello, 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 hello. Oh my god, of course I make a mess. I'm using a contact case because, you know, ooh, wow, I just don't have anything else to put it in. Oh my god, that's dry. Guys. Oh my god, that's so pretty. It feels so nice. It's melting. It takes a little bit. But I mean, whatever. Find something to do. It's gonna be so purple. I'm just gonna wait till this dries. And we'll see how it turns out. Oh. I didn't make that much of a mess this time. Unlike this spot right here. Ooh. Okay, so my mauve is still wet. And I just messed it up. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's so stupid. I literally can't do anything without messing it up. Why do I even try doing this? This one's pretty dry. Yes, I was using the lipstick that fell on the counter. But I mean, it still works. It's not that bad. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. I think that's what side they are on, and I'll see you later.